Who is it?
It's me, Dave, man. Open up, I got the stuff.
Who?
It's Dave, man. Open up, I think the cops saw me come in here.
Who is it?
It's Dave, man. Will you open up? I got the stuff with me.
Who?
Dave, man, open up.
Dave?
Yeah, Dave, come on, man. Open up, I think the cops saw
Dave's
me.
not here.
Hey everybody, Polish Hammer here. Quick shout out to Mass-Hydro. I didn't know they existed before the other day, but I was looking for a refill for my V1 FloraFlex, and it was going to be like $50 on Amazon. We're going to get a cat butt here. So I Googled it and found this place a couple states away, not even in Mass, but I saw some reviews. People seem to have good luck with them. Took a chance. Ended up costing me with shipping and taxes only $40, so it's $10 less than Amazon. Came in 2 days. Sent me a package of slaps, candy, and a handwritten thank you note. And they got a rewards program and a bunch of stuff. So anyway, they're legit. Thanks, Mass-Hydro. I should have got some trimmers while I was ordering this because I just broke the spring online, so I will probably be looking up that site again. All right. Polish Hammer out.